So I'm waiting on both players to ready up in the corners, and we're gonna get the action started.
Just gotta press that button on the side, and they're good to go. So we'll see if they ready up here.
I can get one. Can I put a push out down?
Yeah, you haven't readied up yet.
Again, so that's David Klassen here going to be saying, I want to bring out that push out down. So again, teams electing to bring out the barrier down, and again, that's part of the strategy, looking to see a push out into the blue zone.
Okay. Drivers are ready.
Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight!
Different weapon styles here. You mentioned, Justin, that spinning blade is up really high on the robot. Is Revenant going to be able to get in a position to do some damage with their weapon raised so high and totally not a FingerTech hit so low to the ground?
Again, that spinning blade doing damage on itself right now against Revenant, and that low chassis coming from totally not a FingerTech kit in favor in this matchup, and is probably going to scoop him up and bring him out into that ring out zone.
Totally not a FingerTech kit with that aggression here, looking to carry Revenant out of the arena. We'll see if Revenant is able to get some damage done with those blades. But once again, when your blade is pinned down against the ground, it's hard to get that motor spinning from that inertia when it is in a stationary position.
Absolutely, and again, this is again in the favor of totally not a FingerTech
And it's
kit.
almost a ring out here. There it is!
We've got a ring out knockout. And that is going to do it here. It is your winner, totally not a FingerTech kit, moving on in this tournament.